Bring your change and stop.
We're not dealing with this right now.
In Peoria, Illinois, this man just got shot over an argument. As he collapses next to a car while suffering from massive arterial bleeding, a massive crowd begins forming around him. As police arrive to render aid, they'll have to deal with a lot more than just a gunshot wound.
It's on its way. Watch out, move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Watch out! Stop! Get out of the way! Move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way now! Get back! Get back! Get back now! Back up! Back the up now! Get back! Back everyone up! You got people back! Back up now! Back up! Back up! Right now!
What's up?
Get up there! Get the people away from me! Everybody get back! Get back! Get back now! Get back! Get back! People are crowding us and we cannot get him help. Send more cars.
They're trying to save him. Get back.
It doesn't help with you on the officer. Stay back.
I can't back the up! Let's go, my Get down! Get down! Get down! Back up! Back up!
Hands! Get your hands back! Go help him!
Please stop!
Get your knees to your chest! Get up!
I can't. I don't feel my legs.
Alright, get him up.
I can't feel my legs.
Alright.
Stupid roll over! I didn't do nothing! You hit me in the face! No, I didn't, bro!
Damn, bro, my fault, I swear. No, my fault.
I told you to back the up, man.
No, my fault. I didn't.
Drag him out. Get him over here.
Go up for her. Get the f*** off. Get the f*** off.
Bro, why would you hit me like that?
You had my f***ing officer.
No, she had me. What the f*** are you talking about? Did you see her hit me? Back the f*** up. Bro, stop dragging me. What the f*** is wrong?
Get the f*** up! Get
I can't feel my legs.
I can't feel my legs.
Get up!
I can't feel my legs.
We need to secure that.
I know, get him in.
I can't feel my legs in the car.
Get in the car! Get in the car now! Alright? You're gonna get tased. Yeah, that's right, you get in the car. Get in now! Get in now! Oh look, your legs work! Oh look, your legs work now! Look up, he's tight as hell.
That's fine, we'll fix him later.
I got you, though, we're riding.
Try to run.
Bro, you didn't push me. I know. Back up, or we can't help your friend. Stop touching me, bro. Stop touching me, bro. Get your hands.
Bring your change and stop.
We're not dealing with this right now.
Stand up.
We can't help him when you're in our face.
Homie just got it killed, bro. Homie just got shot, bro.
You're not helping him at all. Get in the car.
Stay down, buddy. Stay down, boss. Stay down, boss.
Back up now! Back up!
If you're in this crime scene tape, you're going to jail. Go!
Get out of the crime scene now! It's a crime scene! You, back up! Back up now! Back up! You want some get the out of here! Get up on the sidewalk now! You gotta back up. This is a crime scene, okay? It's
It's back up on the sidewalk now. Now! Back up! Back up! Back up! I'm telling you to listen, okay? We can't help him with you guys breathing down our necks. This is your first warning. You're going to be pepperballed if you do not disperse. You do not get your car now. No, it is a crime scene. I don't give a f***. Someone got shot. Walk. Keep going. You will be pepperballed.
LT, victim went to OSF?
Yes.
Unfortunately, I went to go assist him, and 2 girls jumped on me, so I did not
That's
get
what
to...
I heard. Are you okay?
Yeah. I mean, I got hit in the face a couple times, and I can't open my hand all the way.
Oh, no.
It'll be fine.
Okay, I hope so.
So, no, I don't have any information for you. I don't know.
All right. Knocked down or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're tough. You're back up.
Oh, God. I can't tell you how many times I've been hit in the face in this job. She got me pretty good in the face a few times.
Did you get arrested? You get
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
I took your guy down.
Yeah, he had me around the neck when I was
Whose
trying
is this?
That's mine. He fucking punched me.
Where was he shot?
I saw him on the counter right there. He maybe had a chest seal on.
No shit.
And there's blood right there, so probably right here. But I have no...
And then he got all mad and started getting my face. So I started fighting him. It's ridiculous. And no, you're fine. Are you guys just looking or are you trying to leave?
Well, no, we're not trying to leave, but we're also trying to, like, if you needed us for whatever reason. But you guys are more than welcome to come in if you want. And
Yeah, we got so much paperwork to do.
Oh, I understand that, but I mean, you know, that I see a lot of people, like, doing whatever. If there's, like, you guys need drinks or anything, you need stop people running.
Hear anything?
Heard what I thought was them knocking on the window, and I'm like, who's knocking on the window? And then we see everybody running, we're like, oh.
Yeah, I was out back in there.
Yeah.
What did you hear? How many shots do you think it was?
I don't know.
I know I heard 3 of what I thought was knocks on. Do you know how many shots you thought you heard, Johnny? 3? We got bottles of water in here.
No, we're fine. I got a whole jug of water.
Well, we got cooks in here, too, so if you guys need food...